Hello viewers, welcome once again to our channel. This is Floor Space Realty, and today we are happy to present a 4-bedroom house for sale at Adjiringanor. If you are not very familiar with the neighborhood or Accra, Adjiringanor is after East Legon off the American House Road, which is just about 8.2 kilometers from the Kotoka International Airport and 2.5 kilometers from the ANC Mall. I believe you will enjoy the best of everything in this spacious modern home in such a desirable neighborhood. Talk of good schools, talk of security, talk of hospitals for healthcare, shopping centers, and everything. This is a truly self-serviced neighborhood with very good road network and very developed. This is the living area. What we are looking at is the living area. It has abundance of natural light, which means yes, you can save on electricity. This home is going for 450,000 USD, and the price, as always, is negotiable. Let's see this enormous kitchen with very sleek appliances that have been installed. Lots of storage spaces in the cabinet. There's actually a staff quarters behind, which we didn't get the opportunity to show this time, but there is a staff quarters. The cooker, the microwave, the oven and fridge, everything installed. And there's an island. If you want to convert it into a kitchen diner, you can also have your dinner or have your meals there as well. This is the powder room or the guest washroom, or what we call the half bath. So there's 1 bedroom downstairs and 3 upstairs. All rooms have their full bathrooms. This room downstairs can be a great place to host your mother-in-law. It will be a great place to host your friends. It will be a great place to host your business partners. It has its full bathroom. And that is the closet space. The house is about 98% complete. A few finishing touches here and there, and it will be ready for you to move in. And it's going for 450,000 USD. Family area upstairs. Small storage space. A cozy one at that. Yes, this is the second bedroom, as we've seen. It also has its full bathroom, and it shares a balcony with the other bedroom. Very spacious bedrooms and washrooms. And yes, as we can see, this is behind the house, the shared balcony, and then the second bedroom upstairs. We are happy to accept our first offers on this home. Just give us a call and any of our numbers, or email realtor@floorspacerealty.com, and we'll be happy to assist. This is the primary suite or the master bedroom. And the bathroom has both the shower and then the bathtub. Check out the neighborhood. Very great neighbors. 2 units available. One is complete and the other is still under construction. We're happy to hear from you and accept offers. Thank you so much for watching.